sending children to give birth in a state that will disregard the additional medical risks that pregnancy inflicts at that age. And the government is sending them to a facility that has already been determined to be incapable of managing those elevated risks. According to a 2024 report from the World Health Organization, adolescent mothers, that's mothers who are aged between 10 and 19 years, face higher risks of eclampsia, puerperal endometritis, and systemic infections than women who are aged 20 to 24 years. And babies of adolescent mothers face higher risks of low birth weight, preterm birth, and severe neonatal conditions. In the past, the government would house pregnant unaccompanied minors in Office of Refugee Resettlement shelters or foster homes in communities with medical services experienced in handling high-risk pregnancies.
Jill Filipovich, a well-known blogger and women's rights advocate.
Dozens of such settings do exist.
The facility where these girls are being held is hours away from the kind of large hospitals that can handle complex obstetric emergencies. This is very much a deadly disaster just waiting to happen.
But the current administration is punishing both the pregnant children and the children they will be forced to carry to term, inflicting short and long-term physical trauma.
This policy was written down in the Heritage Foundation's Project 2025.
The California Newsroom and the Texas Newsroom co-produced an excellent feature this month on what is happening to those girls in Texas.
About half of these pregnant kids are rape victims. The youngest is just 13.
Jonathan White, who has since left government but previously ran ORR's Unaccompanied Children program during the first Trump administration, he told reporters, "This is 100% and exclusively about abortion." White explained that the administration had tried to restrict abortion access for unaccompanied minors in 2017, but had failed. Now, he says, they casually roll out what they brutally fought to accomplish last time and didn't.
Pregnancy is one of the leading killers of adolescent girls worldwide.
With Roe v. Wade overturned now, the stage was set for this kind of legal shell game with pregnant children.
So this is what the pro-life movement is doing with its newfound power.
The administration is also working to undermine Biden-era rules protecting the reproductive rights of pregnant minors in detention. And as recently as 2024, ORR barred the very shelter at San Benito from receiving pregnant girls for a time due to mismanagement of medical appointments and care plans. Reports this month suggest that there haven't yet been any major medical emergencies, and attorneys representing the children who are mothers say that postpartum, several girls have remained detained at the facility with their infants. An ORR staffer anonymously told reporters, "I feel like we're just waiting for something terrible to happen."